Good morning from Tomintoul and what does that say? I can't read backwards. The old fire station tea room. Slept quite well in the hostel last night. We have a day of rain ahead of us. Rain, heavy rain. So probably won't do much filming. Maybe the odd photograph of something if we see something nice. But yeah, let's go get breakfast. 9 o'clock. It's quite cool. It is 3 this morning. It's the sneaky rain. You're like, it's okay, it's not too bad. But then you're soaked. I think that might be what's happening today. We're just tracking fast flowing river. Woo! Photo stop. Woo! I think we've got a climb ahead. Woo! Also 7 degrees Celsius today from 27 a couple of days ago. Full spectrum of Scottish weather. We would enjoy nothing less. That's so nice. It's quite wet. Oh. Let's go. Woo. How are we all doing?
Fantastic.
Not too bad. Bit of an over the bars just for fun because it wasn't fun enough. This is cool. Someone down there, not sure what they're doing. Alright, last gravel climb before descent into Ballater, I think. Some mid-bridge contemplating, dancing. Woohoo! Woo! The old military road.
Sneaky club.
This is lovely. So there's a road closure just before Ballater. Find this lovely little path. Yes, we might actually have a lunch at lunchtime. What do you know? Alright, we've not long left Ballater and we're on the D-side way. Flat cycle path for about 10k, 15k maybe. Yeah, a bit of a climb out of Aboyne to our B&B just by Limfannon. Okay, this bridge is like, I don't know, close to full marks. It's pretty impressive. The D-side way is perfect so far, post lunch. Very nice. We couldn't get our bikes through the turnstile, but yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go for an 8-snapper. I couldn't get my bike. We have a babbling brook. It's not raining, we're happy. It's good. Bike's looking really clean.
You're looking very clean.
Very clean. These are my best going out trousers. Yeah. Oh, we have a trough. Drink, weary traveller in the land, and on thy journey fare something sent by God's all-giving hand and stored by human care. Lovely. I'm not sure I'll be drinking out of that. No thanks. This is cool. I'm liking this. So we're not far from Aboyne. We made it to Aboyne. Still in the workies. Greetings. Guess who chose a B&B 14k up a hill out of Aboyne. 200 meters of climbing to get here. These are pretty cool. 3 or 4k to go. Ooh. Before we get our little co-op picnic extravaganza. I think we're both pretty done for today. But yeah, it's been good. Bit of an adventure.
Baby girl, dis-moi tout.